Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about the Pearlmoon Shaping Shorts. So is it legit or just another scam? So off the bat, these types of products I would say is legit, but only if you actually try to actually accompany it with proper diet, exercise, and healthy living. And those are the only things that will make this product legit. But if you just actually just depend on the product itself, it's not going to work, of course, and you're going to call it a scam. So when you go to Reddit, it's gonna ask people ask if this Pearl Moon shaping shorts really helpful, basically. But when they went to the review right here, when it comes to the Pearl Moon shaping shorts, there's nothing really about it. But when we go to Amazon, it tells a different story. So let's just go ahead and right here, as you can see, that there's a lot of so-called same products. They're just differently advertised. But basically, what my verdict in here will say is that they are kind of legit only if I like what I've said a while ago, accompanying it with proper diet, exercise, and a proper lifestyle, and you will see the right results for your body. So there you go, guys. This is the verdict for your Pearl Moon shaping shorts. They are legit, but only if you do the right things.